Testing audio equipment performance and got an RKM calibration file? This format stores test results from RightMark audio analyzer benchmarking software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and interpret these RightMark audio calibration files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest RKM cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. An RKM file stores calibration data for RightMark Audio Analyzer, a popular software suite for testing the audio quality of sound cards and other audio equipment. Users create this file during a calibration process to compensate for irregularities in their hardware, ensuring that subsequent audio measurements are accurate and reliable. The RKM file is a small structured data file, likely in a simple binary or key value text format. It was designed to store a set of correction values or frequency response curves. This lightweight design allows the main application to quickly load the calibration profile and apply the necessary adjustments to its analysis algorithms without significant overhead. The recommended application from iXBT Labs for handling RKM is unequivocally RightMark Audio Analyzer. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows shows only basic file facts, so deeper investigation requires the correct program. To start the process, right-click your RKM file and select Open With. If you have RightMark Audio Analyzer installed, test that first. If not, try another option. You need to systematically check compatibility. When a RKM file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Given the primary failure, we need precision. Execute these 3 specific troubleshooting moves to identify why the RKM file won't cooperate. First, opening in RightMark Audio Analyzer. Download RightMark Audio Analyzer from the developer's website and install it on a Windows system. Open the RKM file through the application's file menu to load measurement data. RMAA displays detailed graphs and analysis comparing audio device performance across various technical metrics. Next, comparing multiple tests. RMAA supports loading multiple RKM files simultaneously for comparison. Use this feature to compare different audio devices or test configurations side by side. Comparison plots show frequency, response differences, noise level variations, and distortion characteristics, enabling objective audio hardware evaluation. Finally, exporting test reports. Within RMAA, use the export function to generate HTML or text reports from RKM data. These reports include all measurement results in shareable formats, suitable for documenting audio equipment evaluations or publishing reviews. HTML exports include interactive graphs for online viewing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.